When it comes to logic and reasoning, there's a few different paths that we can take when we are trying to make an argument. The first of these is reasoning from specific instances. When we are using this type of reasoning, we are progressing from a number of particular facts to a general conclusion. So we are looking at the data that we have and coming up with one explanation for all of that data. This is also what's known as inductive reasoning. If you were to imagine this as sort of a triangle, right, you're going from like the very narrow tippy top of the triangle to a wider base, right? So you are taking a number of specific instances, a number of different data points, specific examples, and drawing one general conclusion about all of those various different specific examples. One example of this would be traffic predictability. So, for example, I know that if I am traveling on the freeway between the hours of like 3 and 7 p.m. on a Monday, that there's going to be heavy traffic. And if I then go out on Tuesday and then there's the same traffic, and I go out on Wednesday and there's the same traffic, and the same thing with Thursday and Friday, I can begin to predict that on any given weekday between the hours of 3 and 7, there's going to be traffic because that's when everyone's leaving work. So I'm taking the specific instances of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 3 to 7 p.m. and saying, okay, on any given weekday in the afternoon, there's going to be traffic, right? So I'm taking all these different specific instances, coming up with a general conclusion that I can use to make an argument later, right? So I might say, someone might be saying, oh, let's leave on Friday at 5, and you're going to say, no. I know from all of these other specific instances that there's going to be traffic on Friday at 5. So we should wait until 8 o'clock to leave instead. So that's just one example of reasoning from specific instance. You're going from a number of particular facts to a general conclusion.